Ayung Whitewater River Rafting, Ubud Bali. Explore Ayung River in Bali on the most loved adventure tour of the island, a whitewater rafting.
Our friendly and skilled raft guides will take you on a thrilling, safe and fun trip by joining Ayung River Rafting Ubud on the most beautiful and longest river of Bali. Don't miss this fun and family-friendly activity, which all those looking for thrills should experience on their visit to Bali. At least once.
Ayung River Ubud Bali has been popular for many years for the whitewater rafting adventure. The Ayung River is classified in Class 2 to 3 but can increase during the rainy season.
The scenery along the river is spectacular, and when you raft to challenge the rapids, you can immerse yourself in the beautiful rainforest that borders on the river. Our experienced guides will guide you through your thrilling Ayung rafting adventure for around 2 hours. This is the best way to experience the amazingness of the Ayung River Valley. Are you ready to join the most exciting Bali adventure in Ubud?
Get a private air-conditioned car from your hotel in the morning or in the afternoon and drive into the beautiful Ayung River for an unforgettable rafting experience. When you arrive at our reception, you can enjoy a refreshment while you register. You can prepare for rafting from here, and the locker is free to store your belongings.
When you are ready, your rafting guide will take you to the starting point, which will take you around 10 to 15 minutes by air-conditioned car. Our traditional lobby is located in the middle of the rice field, and you will have a helmet, a life jacket, and a paddle.
When you reach the river, within a 15-minute walk through rice fields and tropical jungle, your guide will start with an introduction and inform you of the safety procedure and the tips for enjoying rafting. From here, you will start your 2 hours adventure, an incomparable and unique way of enjoying Bali's natural environment.
On your tour through the Ayung River Ubud, there are spectacular waterfalls, exuberant rainforests, green paddies of rice, high cliffs, and stunning gorges that will bring you wet and wild. Your rafting guides will improve your experience by enjoying yourself with jokes and pointing out the various species of wildlife and tropical plants of the island while preserving your safety.
When rafting reaches the finish point, it's time to rest, take a shower, dressed, and ready to enjoy the delicious and savory buffet lunch, served in our duplex restaurant overlooking the Ayung Valley and rice fields.
We also have toilet, hot shower, bar, and tropical garden, with complimentary Wi-Fi internet access throughout. Full fun and great rafting adventure with BaliRaftingAdventure.com.
Don't forget and enjoy stunning Bali landscapes on this Ayung River rafting adventure. Experience the thrills of whitewater rapids and savor a Bali-style lunch.
So, don't miss it. Let's join us on Ayung River Rafting Adventure in Ubud, Bali. Contact us now. Book the ticket on our website, BaliRaftingAdventure.com, or WhatsApp +62 878 6196 8073.
We hope information on this video about Ayung River Rafting Adventure Tour is useful to you. Please let us know if you have any question about trip in Bali.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.